I have one packaging to unbox, but I've already unboxed it. But let's pretend I haven't. So
शाबाश बेटा
शाबाश
that was bad acting. That was the
weird acting.
where I have a ton of things. So this is, well, I have been watching people review about a lot of Cetaphil. No, people are not talking enough about Cetaphil, so I thought why not try Cetaphil Daily Advanced Ultra Hydrating Lotion. So this is one I have. Also ordered one Cetaphil Brightness Refresh Toner because I know how good Cetaphil company is and how great the products are. So I thought, like, why not give it a try. So the prices are popped up in my screen. This is, I'll start with this one. This is it. I really hope this toner is not sticky. This toner is so watery, and trust me, the consistency of this toner is so smooth. Wow. I can already feel the fresh breeze on my skin because my skin has been dry for a while. I just took a shower and couldn't do any kind of skincare or something. This toner for me is a solid 8 out of 10 because I feel the watery substance on my face. It's not sticky at all, and I really love the consistency. Also, it is fragrance free because you know fragrance free products are very good for your skin. If it is kind of fragranced, you should be away from all those products. So I'll follow with the Daily Advanced Hydrating Lotion. This is also from Cetaphil. So here is the packaging, here is the price. Shea butter, essential vitamin B3 and protein vitamins B5. Wow, so smooth, and my skin feels I'm breathing inside from my skin. Look at how soft and glowing my skin looks. I absolutely love it. It's a solid 9 for me. Solid 9 for me. Consistency of the cream is not very thick. It is kind of a medium thick to a medium light thick. So it's kind of non-sticky. I feel so soft. Wow, I feel so fresh. The last product I purchased from Nykaa in facial. So this is Requel Under Eye Cream. This is supposed to reduce your puffiness. As you can see, I don't have a lot of puffiness in my eyes, but I really wanted an under eye cream just for a test. I'm very bad at unboxing. Okay. So it is written I'm supposed to put a layer and tap it with my fingers. Go with this one. On a circular motion. People who are using gua sha for this one can also use gua sha. Wow, but I feel this cream might work because the consistency and the non-stickiness, I really love non-sticky creams. I don't know why. Many people are there who actually prefer sticky cream because they think that sticky cream or sticky lotion or something which sticks to your face works more, and it's not like that. I really prefer cream which are very lightweight, very much flexible on the skin, glides on properly, which helps you to breathe. Like, your skin needs to breathe. It's not that you like cover all the pores and then you feel that warmth on your skin. I really don't like those products, but this cream, I really love it. So for me, Requil is a yes.